everyone. So today we are going to talk about a concept which is called as the Compton scattering and maximum energy transfer. So what is there in this concept is when a photon collides with an electron, there is a loss in the energy, and that loss in the energy is gained by the electron in the form of kinetic energy. The key formulas that are involved in this particular topic are energy is equal to hc over lambda, where h is the Planck's constant, c is the speed of light, and lambda is the wavelength. As you can see, if the lambda increases, the energy will decrease because of the inverse relationship. The other formula that we need to know for this particular concept is the kinetic energy which is gained by the electron is EI minus EF, that is E initial minus E final. Now, as you know that E is equal to hc over lambda, so EI will become hc over lambda I, and similarly E final will become hc over lambda F. Now, if I find the difference between the two, then what will I get? I will get the E initial minus E final as the hc over lambda I minus hc over lambda F, which will be equal to hc can be taken as common, 1 over lambda I minus 1 over lambda F, right? And that's how we get this formula. The other thing that we need to know is the change in the lambda, right? So change in the lambda, that is delta lambda is equal to lambda F minus lambda I, which will be equal to h over me, which is the mass of the electron, multiplied by the speed of light, 1 minus cos theta. This is the other formula that we need to know. Since the question is about the maximum energy transfer, that has to happen at the maximum. And when this is maximum, which means delta lambda max, will happen when theta is 180 degree, because of which cos theta, that is cos 180 degree, cos of 180 degree will be equal to minus 1. How does this impact? Let's figure this out. Delta lambda max will become h over me c 1 minus of minus 1. This makes this bracket equals to 2. So that becomes 2 times h over mec. Let's hold our thought here. It becomes delta lambda maximum is equal to 2h over mec.